Hello and welcome to our routine break. Today's video is yet another model rocket video, which I realize they don't get many views. However, I continue them anyways because I enjoy model rocketry.
Alright, yeah, looks good so far.
Starting off today,
Gain a nice
we
track
have a
on
Goliath
it.
launch, which, as I said, is the nominal
Beautiful.
flight on a B-44 and gentle landing. And next up is a brand new rocket, the Sasha, on a D-12-5. It's an Estes kit based on various Russian missiles. And yeah, it's a D-12-5, a high thrust weight ratio and a high maximum altitude, and a lost track of the rocket. And something went wrong here where the parachute was not properly connected. Okay, so we use fission swivels on the parachutes to prevent various issues that can arise from the rocket, like just rotating whilst the parachute has to rotate. Basically, it avoids a bunch of issues while using fission swivels, but that brings an issue where it adds another point of failure.
No. Ah.
And yeah, that meant we lost the parachute on this one. However, the nose cone still separated, and you can see how tall the grass is in the landing site. So if you look carefully, you can see the vehicle gently descend. Well, very quickly descending, but it was unharmed and was able to fly again on a D-12-5, and going straight into some glare, and some amateur hour there with the cinematography. Apologize for that. But cutting to the descent, you can see the parachute nice and deployed, and it slowly descends. And yeah, there are some thermals in the area, so it took a while for it to reach the surface. But eventually it makes its way down. Right after landing. And yeah, I have tons of footage of all these launches, and get some nice alternate views. But yes, launch 4. You can see 2 motors because this is 2 stages. You saw the booster detach and the second stage ignite, and both are using D12 motors. Booster is a D12-0. It immediately ignites the upper stage motor.
I can't see it, I cannot see
And
it.
the upper stage is obviously D12-5. And yeah, you can hear I made that call out. Yeah, I lost track of the vehicle. However, after a while, I should finally see it, after staring blankly at the clouds for a while. Any moment now.
Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. I don't know if I'm getting on the camera.
There I go. But yeah,
okay.
I was really more focused on finding the rocket and not getting it on the camera. And yeah, I just realized I'm talking over myself right now. But my commentary in the moment probably just, I don't think it's the most helpful.
That was
Yeah, just you can see me giving a description of how I felt at the moment. And yeah, you can just barely see the vehicle descending under parachute. The booster, it does a tumble recovery, and as that landed, the booster landed just a few tens of meters away from the launch site, whilst the upper stage just barely avoided some trees. Yeah, nice landing there. Alternate view here, where you can see the stage separation. I would really like to get a camera on this 2-stage rocket. However, we only had enough motors for the flights you saw in this video. But if this, I don't really care about how well this video does.
Oh, there it
because
is, there it
definitely
is, there
next
it
one
is.
we're going to
I don't know if I'm getting on the
so.
camera.
So yeah,
Yeah,
you
okay.
saw the ascent
yeah, it's
there,
gonna
and
take- it's
here's
gonna
the
take its
descent
time.
from a different perspective.
That was epic.
Yeah, you can see just it's descending on your parachute. And actually, capturing this video, this was actually helpful for recovery, as there was some uncertainty as to where exactly the vehicle landed. But if you look closely, you can see it lands just to the right from the perspective of the launch site of that dead tree. And yeah, the vehicle was successfully recovered. But of course, still another alternate vehicle.
Whoa.
And again, you can see there's two distinct burns. And now the booster stage just not so gently falls to the surface, but it's unharmed. So 2 vehicles were flown, Sasha and Goliath. Both of them survived unscathed. They are ready for future flights. And also, this was a special event, the 25th anniversary of our local rocket club. So there was a prize raffle, and I ended up winning this, the Uber Tuber. Yeah, I bet you'll see more of this rocket in future videos. I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.